Job complete. Don't intend doing any more, otherwise I'll never get it finished. I think it's more or less completely sorted out. So left hand side, quite smooth, little step at the top, hardly noticeable, then the wooden batten, screw holes filled in and repainted, and then down the right hand side completamundo. So that now is reasonably straight. If we look from the edge here where the piece of wood's going to go, you can see, there we go, it's flat. Same on the other side, and I filled in a little gap under there which was just open, so I've put something in there to stop that moving, because if any of this window moves, then the gap here is probably going to get more noticeable. But I think that's it. Can't think of anything else to do. Ring them on Monday and say, come and fit the windowsill. So only taken 10 years off my life, but done.